Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another trigonometric function of DB2 SQL, which is ASIN. ASIN function is mainly used in order to calculate the arc of sine value. So whatever the value you are providing to this function, it will be calculated as arc of sine in terms of radians. Clear? Now, how we can use this function? So in order to use this function, either you can go and create your SQLRPGLE program and there you can utilize this function, or you can normally use it over the query itself. So let me show you how we are using it here in SQLRPGLE program. So here first of all I declare one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times 0, and this constant we will use to verify the query once it is executed. Then we have one variable, result one variable of zone decimal of size 8. This variable we will use to store the output which we are returning from the query. Then line number 17, 18 and 19 are optional line because here we are just setting the commit equals to standard. So for this particular program it is optional. Below to this we have one query exec SQL select ASIN of 1 into result variable. Okay, result 1 variable. So what it will do, it will calculate the arc of sine value for value 1, and then it will be stored into this result 1 variable as in radians. And this is coming from sys ibm.system1, which is system library. So once it is executed, you can simply verify the query. So I am checking if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then print the display result, means print the result, else print the SQL state along with an error message, query ended with an error. And then we are doing endif and INLR on. Okay, so syntax is quite simple. Now simply go and compile this program and call it. So you can see it is printing the output as 2. Alright, now how we can use it over the normal query. So here on STRSQL, I'm showing you one query which I'm running right now. So select ASIN of 1 as, this is my alias name for this column, as a sine value for of radians. Okay, and this is also coming from sysibm.system. If I take F4 here, you can see from files, if I take F4 and hit enter, it is printing the value as ASIN underscore value underscore radians. Okay, so this is how we can use this trigonometric function ASIN. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.